Hi, this is Ben. I'm looking at Lego set 21154. This is the Minecraft Blaze Bridge. This is a pretty awesome set. It's pretty substantial. It's very large. It's 372 pieces and features a bridge in a fiery nether setting here. Let's take a closer look at what comes with this set. You get an Alex minifigure complete with diamond armor, diamond pickaxe, and a diamond sword. There's a wither skeleton as well, and two blazes. These blazes are really fun because the bottom and the top rotate. So some of the elements around this set include magma, soul sand, glowstone. There's some quartz block, a brewing stand, and then there's a chest with some treasure in it. There are some really cool action elements on this set as well, including this spinning blaze movement, this gravel fall as well. This is a 3-bag set. Comes with a single instruction booklet that's pretty thick. Set it up all by itself on display, or you can combine it with other sets to make an even larger display. It's a really great set. Hope this helps. Thanks for watching.